Hi guys. Okay, I know it's super late. I did not expect to be on here this late. Um, I probably left the place by 10 o'clock by the time I got out of there. Like, they finished up, we got out of there and, like, downstairs because it was however many of us trying to get out of the hotel. Um, Anyways, and then I spent the last hour just trying to get, all I wanted was ice cream. I went to two McDonald's and they weren't working. Anyways, um, so I just wanted to go over quickly, like, what's going on or what happened. Um, I loved it. I really wish that I could go to ChalkCon this year. Like, it makes me want to go even more. Um, but I'm thinking that I'm gonna have to go next year. Anyways, besides the fact, I loved it. I tried to post some pictures. I don't know if everything went through. I did connect to their Wi-Fi, so hopefully everything went through. Whatever didn't get uploaded, I will upload after this. Um, I did go live quickly and kind of showed you guys stuff. More stuff showed up afterwards, and I took some pictures of it, so I'm going to upload it. So I did go live and show you guys some of the art that was in the contest. I did not win, but there was some really cool stuff. So I'll upload some of the other pictures that went on. I got to meet Christine, and I should probably know what her last name is, but I can't think of offhand. But Christine is the CEO of Chalk Couture. Chalk Couture was originally started by two moms. Actually, one mom started doing chalkboards and magnets, is how it started, and then this other mom came in and kind of like they developed stuff. They posted some really like old original pictures that I took pictures of, so I might share those. But so it just built over that. It started in November of 2017 is when Chalk Tour started. So it's fairly new, honestly. So November will be 3 years that Chalk Tour has been going on. So that's cool. Like, that I kind of knew that we were new, but I just didn't realize how new we were. So Christine started it off talking to us about our products and stuff like that. We also had Brandy, and I should have wrote down their last names. Brandy, Christine, you will see in our Chalk Couture like videos that are actual Chalk Couture, like, she'll get on there and talk. I think she's on the video that's about the Club Couture. Usually she's the one that's on there talking. And then there's Brandy. She's another one that gets on there and talks. I'd have to look up what her, like, she's part of marketing of some sort. And she kind of talked to us about the business aspect of it. And then they had an artist spotlight, which I need to look into this because this was something new that I learned about today about some of the educational stuff that they have. But this lady, Maggie, she's a designer. I don't know how up of a designer she is. I would assume pretty good. So they had her come up, and she does 40 workshops a month. 40, okay? I am working on one a month. There's some busier months that I plan on doing two. She does 40 a month. That means that some days that she's doing more than one in a day. So it's crazy on that. So she gave me some insight on workshops and workshop options and how to handle that stuff. So that was cool. Then we talked, we had Jeff Childs, I think is his last name. He's the president of Chalk Couture, and he came in, and last fall, was it November, Chalk Couture got a new headquarters in Utah. And so all of the business part and the operations are in the same location now. So he gave us a little bit of a video tour of like how paste is made in their facility. However, which I didn't realize also, but they're working on changing that, is that our transfers and our surfaces are made in China. So I guess, but they're in the works of trying to figure out how to get those made here. So that's awesome. He also went through some of our top transfers with the new catalog based on quantity and then based on revenue. Based on quantity, the top transfer was the egg patterns. That was the most bought transfer. The second one was the Cottontail Farms, and the third one was the house patterns. So that was that. And then we did a make and take, and I haven't really talked to you guys about it too much because I haven't really got into too much detail about it. I learned a little bit more about it today. But you guys will notice if you order on the website that it'll always ask you if you want to round up your total, because there is a Watts of Love donation. And Watts of Love is they're pretty much what they're doing is they're donating money to this place in Africa that or South America, South America maybe, where they're having difficulties with electricity and getting electricity, and so that's a charity that they're working on so that they help with the electricity and that they can then spend the money that they would normally on candles and that sort of thing for lights, that they are spending it on things that they need like food and that sort of stuff. Anyway, so I guess I'm not sure when they come out, but we do have specific Watts of Love transfers that come out, and a portion of those transfers, or a portion of the profit from those transfers, gets sent directly. So it's a little bit more money than round total. And so we got the new Watts of Love transfer that is coming out in the new Celebration Suite, which comes out, I believe, next month. Which I talked about you guys with a little bit last time about there's a new kind of like mini catalog that comes out that will have more seasonal stuff in it. But this is the new transfer that came out with that, or that's going to come out with that. So we actually got to make not only get the transfer, we got to make it. They gave us 3 sample pastes, and they also gave us 3 of the trays that they have available now for the paste samples. I think you get them in packs of either 12 or 24. You can order them, but we got 3 of them to take home. And then they gave us 3 paste colors, and then they gave us a white framed Grayson to take to put it on. So this I probably should just turn this. So this is the transfer. It's a B-size transfer, Dream Bigger. And there was some really cool ideas that people were doing with this. I can show you mine. So this is a Grayson. This is what I did the Club Couture on the other day. But this is that transfer. I did some white on the leaves to kind of give it some depth. and so that's why it looks like that. And then I did kind of a hot mess on the flowers to give them depth. But this is a reusable surface, so I can change this out and reuse it. So there's that. And then there was a lot of people that did not come. I don't know, like I said earlier, they had posted about if you're sick, don't come, and that sort of stuff. So there's a lot of people that didn't come. So there was a lot of people that they gave away a lot of stuff, and they pulled a lot of names of people that weren't there, so they kept polling, and nobody at my table won. So there was a lot of stuff left over from make and takes that they decided to give to us. So I got another Grayson board for free to take home. So it's kind of exciting because the Grayson boards are the ones that I bought for the show, and I never have a lot of Chalk Couture surfaces at home. So I got 2 of them for free tonight, and that is awesome. So that I think is like the most that really I need to tell you guys. Expect some kind of new fun stuff that I'm going to try to bring to the table that I learned tonight. That's kind of my plan. I got some new like ideas of business planning and how to work my business. So I'm gonna try to implant those ideas into what I'm already doing. So that's my plan for that. So I just wanted to update you guys. I know it's really late. I planned on being home sooner, or back sooner than this, but that's that. If you guys watch this later, hashtag replay, so I know that you saw it. I guess look forward to me making some more stuff on the Graysons now, because I'll be able to make stuff on the Graysons and then erase it and reuse it, so I can use the Graysons over and over again. So yeah, so it was a great time. I'm so happy that I came. I didn't get to network as much as possible. The people that I was sitting with were I think fairly local, so as soon as we were able to leave, they like booked it out of there to try to get out, because we did get out a little bit later than what we were supposed to. And then I still had to go pick up my artwork, or my door tags that I did, and then we had to like single file out the door to get to our free stuff. So it just got a little chaotic. So I didn't really get, like, I talked to everybody at my table, but I didn't get to like follow up with them and be like, hey, come like follow my page. So yeah, but it was a good time. Like, I didn't sit in the corner by myself. Like, I still had fun. I interacted with people, and it was a good time. So that is my Chalk Tour recap. I hope next year I can recap ChalkCon for you guys. Oh yeah, and sorry about the total like quick cut off on my artwork video. I was like doing it, and then like at the end of it, like you're supposed to take a picture, and so I like had to quit real quick. So sorry about that. And but I will post some more pictures that I took since then. Otherwise, I had a great time. I'm so happy that I got to meet Christine. She was like awesome. She was like, there's no, like, I consider her like somewhat of, I don't want to say like a celebrity, but like, you know, I watch her on a lot of our videos. Like, she's kind of, I feel like an unreachable person, but I met her tonight, and she is just like you and I. Like, she is so down to earth and so excited, and she's like so like just encouraging. It's, I don't know, and she's funny, and I just loved it. So it's just a awesome company to work for. Like, not that I didn't already think that, but like tonight, like solidified that. Like, I love this company. I am pushing but not pushing. I would really like to get another person signed up underneath me this month. I know today is what, the 11th. So we still have 20 days, but I would love to get another designer signed up underneath me. And get a team built together to really push this company and our businesses forward more. So if you are at all a little bit interested, even if you're interested as just a crafter that wants the discounts, or if you're interested in actually building a business out of it, it's such a customizable business. You can literally run it however you want to. Chalk Couture gives you the tools, but you can run it literally however you want to. You can do workshops. You don't have to do workshops. You can do parties. You don't have to do parties. You can do shows. You don't have to do shows. You can do it however you want to. And that's what I love about it. It's so low pressure. And to reach the quota that you need to stay active is so easy. Even if you spend $150 in 3 months on yourself just to buy your own self stuff, like, that's so doable. So if you are at all interested, please contact me and I will give you all the information you possibly can. The registration for eggs are done. Everyone that has signed in are done. So I look forward to seeing you all on workshop day, the 22nd. I will get the pattern transfers ordered and get them to us ASAP. Otherwise, I know it's late, so I'm going to leave you guys. Have a great night, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks.